Looking for the perfect multi-testers? Here's what you need to know. The Fluke 87V Industrial Digital is making waves. And here's why. Perfect for anyone who wants accurate frequency measurements on adjustable speed drives. ASD. Due to Fluke-designed low-pass filter. Designed to help you capture intermittents as fast as 250 microseconds with peak capture. Great choice if you need switchable high display resolution, allows 6000 to 20,000 counts, lets you see small changes in displayed readings. Cat E1000V. Cat IV600V safety rated. If you want to check it out, I've put a link in the description with the current price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.